So here in this problem, we need to find out the value of h, and it's given here. There are 2 points. One has the coordinate h, comma 3, and the other has the coordinate 4, comma 5, and the distance between them equals square root of 5 units. Let us begin. So first, what we'll do, we will consider the point A, and let's say it has the coordinate h, comma 3, and we have another point B with coordinate 4, comma 5. So what we'll do, we'll join the 2 points and by a straight line, and the distance between those 2 points is going to be square root of 5 units. Now to find out the distance, we can use the distance formula. So here we can see here that there are 2 points, point A and point B, and they are joined by a straight line. The coordinates of the endpoints are given to us. Then the distance between them, which is a straight line, can be given by, we take the square root. Underneath the square root, what we'll do, we'll take the square of the difference of the x coordinate and then add it to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. So in our case, so let us assume that h, comma 3 corresponds to x1, y1, and 4, comma 5, let it correspond to x2, comma y2. So now we will try to find out the value of a. So AB, even though it's given, it's square root of 5, we're going to apply the distance formula here. So AB will be equals to, we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, we'll have to take the difference of the x coordinate first. So that's x2 minus x1, that means 4 minus h. So we take 4 minus h and then square it. And then we are going to add it to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. So that's y2 minus y1 squared. So we have 5 minus 3 squared. Fine. Now AB, that's given as square root of 5. So square root of 5 will be equals to square root of, now we're going to expand 4 minus h whole squared. So that's 16 minus 8h plus h squared. This will be added to. So 5 minus 3, that's 2. 2 squared, that's 4. Now what we'll do, we'll square both sides to get rid of the square root. So that's going to give us 5 equals to, now we have 16 plus 4, that's going to be 20 minus 8h plus h squared. Rearranging the terms, we get h squared minus 8h. Now 20 minus 5, that's going to be 15. So this will be equals to 0. This is a standard quadratic equation which you can solve to find the value of h. So we're going to split the middle term. So we have h squared minus 5h minus 3h. So we have split the middle term into 2 terms, negative 5h and negative 3h. Plus 15, that's equals to 0. Now from the first term and the second term, if we take h as the common factor, so that will get multiplied to h minus 5. And from the third and the fourth term, we're going to take negative 3 as the common factor, so that it will get multiplied to h minus 5 as well. So this will be equals to 0. Now we have h minus 5 multiplied to h minus 3. So when we equate them, then we get two values of h. So h could be 3 or it could be equals to 5, and that corresponds to option A. So that's the value of h, such that the distance between these 2 points is going to be equals to square root of 5 units.